Hello. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Saturday. It's Saturday outside. Absolutely beautiful. Super windy, not really surprising because it's almost summer, and in summer it's windy. So yay, fun times. But in this video, I really kind of wanted to do something interesting, different. Not really, but I have this tank top t-shirt vibe that it's really nice, but I can't really wear it with a lot of things. So I kind of want to try and make it cooler or make it more wearable at least, so that I can actually wear it in summer. So that is what I'm going to be doing today in this video, and I'm kind of excited. I just hope that it works out and it looks cool. And yesterday I actually went and I grabbed a coffee with my friend.
Okay, so where is your car right now?
Dude, where is my car? I don't even know. I swear to God I parked it there. We're hoping it's around the corner, so we're gonna go check and we're gonna let you know.
And it was so much fun. We went for a walk around, which was amazing. So that was a lot of fun. And yeah, I'm excited to be hanging out with you. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Kelly. What's up? Let's hang out. I'm super keen. Hey, so I finished my whole skincare self-care routine, and a part of my favorite thing to do is I want to take a shower and I want to go grab a smoothie. So I need to shave my legs, so I want to wear that with some shorts and go grab a smoothie. But before I do that, so this video is sponsored by Body Rock Pro. Basically, they use a crystalline nanotechnology, which helps you to effortlessly remove any unwanted hair. So you basically don't have to use a razor or go to expensive, painful wax and laser appointments. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. And I really love using it. I'm gonna go shower, but I'm gonna use it first on my legs because I'm wearing shorts, so you know, you gotta look good and smooth and silky. So I'm very excited to show you guys how it works. And it's durable, so you only have to kind of replace it after 3 years. It's easy to clean. You just have to rinse this under the water. And it's just amazing. It's travel size. You can put it in your bag if you're going on a staycation or whatever. Just pop it in your bag and you can use it whenever, wherever. Just do your thing. So thank you so much, Body Rock Pro, for sponsoring this video. I really love this product so much. It's amazing. It's like my little best friend. I love it so much. So basically how it works is you just take it and you apply it onto your skin and you rub it in a circular motion at a really good amount of pressure. It can be very gentle or a moderate pressure, just to kind of help you to remove any of that unwanted hair on your legs or your arms or any other part of your body. And it's just amazing. Look how smooth and silky my skin looks. It's summer ready. I'm excited. Let's go. Hey, so I'm gonna be making the t-shirt now. Let me show you how it looks. Okay, because this is how it looks. There's nothing wrong with it. As you can see, it's like a longer length tank top vibe. But the thing is, I want something that's gonna be cool, that I can wear with shorts, that I can wear to the beach, that I can wear out and just dress it up with a jacket or something really nice and easy. So I'm going to be trying something different. Let's hope that it works out. Let's hope that the t-shirt actually looks cool. And let's hope that it's nice and easy. It should be, if what I'm thinking works out. So wish me luck. Okay, so I've cut the tank top. I hope it looks good. I'm gonna try it on, and now I'm going to use this black lipstick to do a little design. So we'll see what I think of. I need to have a few seconds to think about this. It has to be something super chilled and not embarrassing because I actually have to wear this. But you know what? Since I'm already cutting this tank top, why not just make it a little bit interesting, you know? Why not just have some fun? Okay, so here we go. Wish me luck. Let's hope that this comes out really cool, but we shall see. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. I decided to write the word chill on it because I have a podcast called The Chill Podcast, so why not? And we all need some zen and chill in our lives, and I like to chill out. So, you know what? Why not use the word chill? It's one of my favorite words. So I'm gonna go try this on, and then I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, so this is the final product. I love the whole tea vibe, it's so cool. I really like it, and it looks really cool with like shorts on, or like high-waisted pants, a high-waisted skirt. I'm really vibing with this, and voila, that was actually super easy to make, guys. I literally just used a pair of scissors and black lipstick. Hey, so I went to Kauai. I first got a few groceries, and then I got this smoothie. It's a strawberry stinger. It's amazing. It's so good. It's honestly so good. Well, anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had so much fun creating that really cool t-shirt, which I'm excited to wear to the beach and when I go out. So it was so much fun. It was so easy. It was just amazing. And it just shows you that you can create something that you have at home already, and it's a super easy and affordable way for you to style yourself for summer. So if you did like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I love you.